Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So capital 8, that is about this one. Now we need to change this one into this one, and we have like this. Next, I will put the limit goal here. So we just concentrate on this one. Now we have the second formula in here. So this one, that is about number 3 over 1 minus sin x multiplied by ln of sin x. So we know that when s approaches to b over 2, we put b over 2 cone here, b over 2 cone here, ln of sine of b over 2, we have number 0. 1 minus 1, we have number 0. So that is about 0 over 0. We can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one in here, we have 3 cosine x over sin x. This one, we have negative cosine x. Next, cosine x, we simplify it. And now we put b over 2 cone here. So we simplify and we have negative number 3. That means the value of this one equals to negative number 3. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.